The Student Government Association started off their meeting Tuesday night with a discussion of a new club on campus. A club member gives us more details on what the club entails.
What we are is pretty much like an outdoors club. We can go hunting, fishing if you have the proper license, which I have. I have the hunting safeties and gun training course.
This new club wants to give students a chance to get outside as well as learn new skills such as gun safety and self-defense.
It's because not many people get out. I mean, I know I'm a big guy, but at least I can say I know how to survive outside and get outside. I know how to operate a gun. I know how to do safety, self-defense.
Those who are interested in joining this new club will be happy to know that the club was made official at Tuesday night's meeting.
If you're really interested and want to join, you can either email me at mlassiter151844@troy.edu, and I can get back to you as soon as I get it.
The SGA celebrated Mardi Gras at their weekly meeting, but the king cake wasn't the only food that was discussed.
So one of the issues we were having is students were thinking they were finding raw chicken, and that is a big concern. However, what we've since found out is that it wasn't necessarily raw as much as it was the quality of chicken.
The SGA took many steps to resolve this issue and came up with a solution by contacting the company that manufactures the chicken.
And so the actions that were taken was they directly contacted the manufacturer and the supplier, and they wanted to know, hey, what's going on? Why aren't these steps being taken? Why are we getting, this kind of quality of chicken? And so from that, the manufacturer and Sodexo both worked out an agreement, and they've since resolved that issue.
If students have any other complaints or suggestions, they can fill out the SGA Concerns Google document that is located on the Troy Students Facebook page. Allison Polk, Troy, TrojanVision News.